Hello and welcome everyone to another Saturday's fun and easy recipe. I'm Sadia and you're watching Adrenal in My Mind. What a lovely way to end the week with creamy and cheesy pasta and white sauce. Who doesn't like pasta? I mean, be kids or adults, we're all pasta lovers. Pasta is basically an Italian dish, but I don't know if any Italian chef would actually approve of this dish. I mean the recipe. But I don't care because if it works for me, it's definitely gonna work for you. This is my mom's recipe and she makes the best pasta. So I decided to get this recipe to you guys and I'm sure it's gonna turn out awesome. So here we go. You need to add the milk gradually so that no lumps are formed. So keep adding the milk and keep stirring it. I love using my spatula to break down all the lumps that are formed. In fact, I love using my spatula for almost everything. Don't you think it's like satisfying? It's just like playing around. It'll take a little while to come together. And then once it's done, you gotta add salt. But make sure you're not adding too much of salt because the cheese has salt, the pasta has salt while it is boiling. So you don't want to end up making a salty pasta. I mean extra salty pasta. I love adding loads of oregano because what is pasta without oregano and lots of cheese? If you're still watching this video and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do because it doesn't really take that much of an effort, trust me. And also hit the thumbs up if you like my videos and leave a comment below if you have any suggestions for the upcoming videos or you have any queries about this recipe. I'll make sure to get back to you. You can include whatever vegetables you like and you can exclude whichever you don't like or which you don't have. This week I've been pretty lazy, so I'm finally making a recipe. While adding the boiled pasta, make sure you don't drop any, but if you do, you can just taste it. And check for the salt. Make sure you're not wasting any. In goes our creamiest, cheesiest white sauce, but don't add all at once because if you don't want it that saucy, you can just store some for later. But I love my pasta which is creamy, so I'm gonna add all of it. And then I tried to do this chef-like saucepan thing in the air, but thank God I realized that my saucepan was too full. So I just used a big spoon instead. To try this recipe, do let me know how it turns out. And you can also tag me on Instagram. My handle is right on the screen. I'll make sure to repost your content on my page as well. So let's connect. I've left my Instagram link in the description as well, so you can check that out. And I hope to see you guys next week, so take care you all. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.